PixVerse AI has completely changed the game when it comes to AI-generated content. Just look at these mind-blowing clips made entirely with PixVerse AI. Imagine creating this kind of high-quality content without any professional editing skills. Today, I'll show you exactly how you can do that using PixVerse AI. When you enter PixVerse, you're greeted with a simple dashboard. On the left, there's the Create tab where all your ideas come to life. Let's jump straight into the Create tab and see what PixVerse can do. Here, we'll create an animated character. Let's pick Einstein, type in our prompt, and ask PixVerse to make them move and smile. And there it is. I mean, how cool is that? No complex animation software, just a simple text prompt. Now, the Effect tab is where things get really interesting. You can control the seed, which changes the randomness of your creation. The negative prompt tells the tool what to avoid. Aspect ratio adjusts the video size, and duration sets how long your clip will be. Free users get turbo mode. It's super fast, but not in 1080p. You can add styles like anime, 3D animation, clay, cyberpunk, or comic book. And you can choose between normal for balanced quality or performance for faster results. Let's try 3 different effects on 3 different images. First, I'm choosing a picture of Ronaldo on the football field and applying the warmth of Jesus effect. It makes Jesus appear and hug the subject. Wow. That looks so wholesome and surreal at the same time. Next, let's take a photo of Dwayne Johnson and use the Tiger's Touch effect. Whoa, seeing The Rock getting a tiger hug is both hilarious and awesome. Finally, let's try red carpet time on a photo of Jensen Huang. Look at him owning that red carpet. What a great catwalk, Jensen. Each effect is so unique and adds a whole new dimension to simple images, all in just seconds. Next up, transitions. Let's test how PixVerse blends 2 iconic meme clips. We'll add the distracted boyfriend meme photo and a random picture of Michael Scott. To make the transition smooth, we'll input a text prompt like the boyfriend in the first frame turning his head and seamlessly transforming into the guy in second frame. Let's see how well it blends them together. Wow, that's smooth. Next, we will get a wedding photo shoot blending into snowboarding. We'll use a prompt like a joyful wedding couple, seamlessly transitioning into adventurous snowboarders gliding down a snowy mountain. These prompts help the AI create seamless and visually appealing transitions. Honestly, that's impressive. The speech feature lets you animate photos with lip syncing. I tried it with Elon Musk.
Subscribe to Byte-Sized Brain Power.
And while the lip syncing is spot on, the audio quality isn't great. Here's a trick. Use PixVerse for the lip sync and add high-quality AI-generated audio from tools like 11 Labs. Problem solved. Extending videos is another cool feature. I'm using the viral picture of Will Smith slapping on stage and extending it with a prompt like, "Make them dance on the stage." And PixVerse handles it brilliantly. Finally, the character mode lets you create and customize characters by describing their story. Turn on auto character prompt for even better results. And that's a wrap.